Unpacking everything, you should receive an adjustable pole with one long screw and a 5-wheel base. You should also receive an iPad stand with 3 screws, 4 Allen wrenches, a D40 Pro stand, an ear thermometer stand with screws, a basket, and a clamp with 2 screws. The first step in assembling the mobile care station is taking our adjustable pole and placing it into our 5-wheel base. We have our big screw with our washer going on first. We're going to flip this over, place our screw in the middle, and secure it with Allen wrench. Next, we will assemble the basket. To attach the clamp to the basket, we will have to make sure that we are screwing in this side with the 2 holes to the basket, not the side with the 4 holes. So the 2 holes go in towards the basket, and we will secure those with our 2 screws using our Allen wrench. Now that the basket is assembled with the clamp, you can see that there are 4 holes facing outside this clamp. To secure the ear thermometer to the basket, we want to match the 2 holes on the ear stand to the 2 holes on the basket, secure with the screws and Allen wrench. This is the ear thermometer stand assembled to the basket. To mount the ear thermometer stand, we're going to match the holes of the plastic onto the ear thermometer stand. It should sit really nicely, and the holes should match up. Once the holes match up, we're going to secure them down with our 4 screws in our Allen wrench. Once our ear thermometer is placed and secured, this is what it should look like. To assemble our mobile care station, we start with the basket, and the clamp is going to go around the pole and slide down. We're not going to completely secure this unit just yet, and I'll tell you why. We're going to put the D40 Pro stand on and let that slide down. And then we have our iPad holder. We're going to put that on top. And with this 3 screws that we have for the iPad holder, once we have secured the iPad holder down, we're going to get the direction of all the rest of the equipment. So you'll know where to put your D40 Pro stand, which level you would like it adjusted to, and you can secure that back here with our Allen wrench. Once we find the appropriate height, and you can also adjust your basket as well. So this is our mobile care station all assembled. On top we have our iPad holder, our D40 Pro holder, our basket, which you can put your blood pressure cuffs in, your glucometer, your glucose strips, SpO2, and this is where the thermometer sits. And it's all on an adjustable pole with 5 spider legs on the bottom.